that the KTC will come out of things maybe in the next 2-3 years with a good financial strong backing. Our bus stands are being built. The Vasco bus stand is being built, Prudent, Marcel, and these bus stands will give us revenue. Even the Margao bus stand and Panaji bus stand also, and even Mapusa bus stand is being finalized. I think within the next 2 months we should have some proposal with us. See, KTC cannot make profit on their transport running. So we have taken a decision that our properties are there. Our properties are there in prime location. I mean the property frontage use करतले for commercial activities. आणि आम्ही त्याचे cost आम्ही recover करतले. As a Margao bus stand, Mapusa bus stand, Vasco bus stand, एक पण ते complete झाले. KTC will be self-sufficient. आमका माय government funding काय ना का. We can survive on our own, but I feel it will take us another 3-4 years.
KTC 3 नव्यो इको फ्रेंडली बसी लॉन्च करपाची आसा. एक बस बायोगॅसाचेर जाल्यार 2 बसी इथेनॉलाचेर चलपाच्यो.
We are going to introduce 3 buses. One bus will be on biogas, and regular 2 buses will be on ethanol. Will be operating way in Goa, and they will be operated by Scania company. The Chief Minister had announced in the House and even in the media 2 months back that about the launch of these buses. And the garbage plant in Saligaon will be able to cater to about 50 buses in the long run. So I think, fuel. So I think this is a good initiative by good initiative of getting these buses to Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.